Yeah, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to discuss one new question. The question is we need to swap two numbers without using one extra variable or some extra variables. Okay, now let us discuss the question. I hope you all guys know what is meant by swapping. For those who don't know, I will explain in brief. See, swapping is nothing but assume this. So normally, swapping is, for example, x and y. We have two values, 2 and 3. If you swap the values, the x value will become 3 and y value will become 2. This is known as swapping. Just interchanging two values is known as swap. Okay. Now, this is the program. Okay. Just observe this program. The question, I am telling the question how to understand the question. Here, we are declared two variables x and y. Okay. Two variables x and y, and the values are 2 comma 3. Okay. If you print, if you print those values, what we will get? We will get the output as 2 comma 3, right? Why? Because x has 2 and y has 3. You need to perform, we need to perform some logic. Okay, we need to perform some logic here. After performing that logic, the values should become 3 comma 2. Okay, the value should become 2 comma 3 comma 2. What is means? X value, which is 2, change it to 3. Okay, what is y value? It is 3, it has been changed to 2. This is the only thing which we need to do. But now here the condition is, we should not declare in this logic part, we should not declare a new variable. Okay, without declaring a variable, we need to do. How can be done? Okay, this is the question. I will explain you the logic. Why? Because when we are doing it the first time, we will, it's a bit tough to get that. Many interviews, this question has been asked in many interviews. Now the logic is, here we are not allowed to declare a new variable. So next, now we need to swap those variables with using some operators, right? When we are dealing with operators, how to do this? For this, if you think, we can apply arithmetic operators. Okay, arithmetic operators, in that we can use addition and subtraction. I will tell you the code using addition and subtraction, and I will let you know using some other operators also. Okay, at the end. Now this is the input. When x is 3 and y is 2, we need to print x as 2 and y as 3. Okay, we should not declare any variable. If you can solve this without using any variable, then you have already completed this question. For now, I will explain the logic how to do this. It's a 3-line logic. Okay, it's a very simple logic. X is equals to x plus y is equals to x minus y, x is equals to x plus y. I will explain you with one example, then we can understand it more clearly. For example, think x is 2 and y as 3. Okay, now how to, this is the first line, second line, third line. How it executes? First line, when there is an equal to operator, in this case, first right side part is executed and then left side part is executed. I think everyone know this. Now how it executes? First, x plus y. What is x? X is 2. And what is y? Y is 3. 2 plus 3, 5. So x value will become 5, right? So that 2 plus 3, right? X value is 2, y value is 3. Now x plus y. 5 will be stored in x. So that, see here, just I am changing x is equals to 5. Okay, I hope first line is clear. Now coming to next line. Observe carefully. What is the x value? 5. What is the y value? 3. 5 minus 3, y value becomes 2. Observe carefully. After the second line, see, y value already changed. Now we need to change only x value. Observe this. What is x value? X value is 5. Y value is, observe here, y value is 2. So 5 minus 2, x value is 3. That's it. Observe here, the input is 2 comma 3. Now we changed it. Means we swapped the values exactly opposite. Right. This is the none. Only with 3 lines we did the swapping. There is no more logic here actually. It's one of the best question I can say. Why? Because first time we cannot get this logic. It's a bit difficult. Now this is the algorithm. Just we need to start the program, and we need to read x comma y. We need to print x comma y values, and the 3 lines which I explained you before, I wrote them as it is. After that, I just printed x and y values. See here, before x and y and after x and y. As per the logic, it will swap those values and it will print. That's it. This is the logic. Now let us execute this one and we will see the output by running the program. Okay. I hope you can see this compiler. Now, wait, I will clear this. Okay, I hope you can see this. I am selecting the language and see the language, the compiler is running well. I am using online GDB compiler. Now, see, as per the algorithm, just I am declaring two variables, x and y. Let us take these values as 3 and y is equals to 2. Now, after this, I am printing. First, I need to tell the user, right? I am printing values. What's x? X and y values are just nothing but x comma y. Okay. Now, see here, observe carefully. I am copying this statement. Why? Because after swapping also we need to write the same code, right? So in between we need to write the logic. What is the logic? X is equals to x plus y is the first statement which we discussed. Next, y is equals to x minus y. Next, x is equals to x minus y. This is the 3-line logic which we did. Now I will run the program. 1 minute. I am forgotten to keep backslash and for good visibility. Yeah, see here the x and y values before the swapping, the x and y values are 3 and 2. After the swapping, the x and y values are 2 and 3. It's swapped. Without using extra variable, we swap these values. Hence, we did right. Now I told right. Now, one question, take it as a tip or some bonus. See here we are using plus and y operator. Without using plus and y operator, another one star, multiplication and division. By using these operators also, we can perform same thing. In interviews, they may ask like, without using addition and subtraction, can you do this? For those things, we can tell that by using multiplication and division also we can perform. Just replace them and you can try. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you understand this video, please comment something like you got this, or if you want a video on a specific question, you can ask in the comments. And if you like it, please give me a like and comment because it will motivate me for the next video. Okay. Thank you guys. We will meet in next video.